kaya. Gusto ko kaya.
Ay, ako na guys. Maglilip na ako.
Oh, putik.
Uy, ano ba to?
Ano yan? Di ko makita.
to watch.
Horror game to.
I want to watch.
Okay. Night shift. There's something so creepy. Kayo na magbasa. Kakatamad eh.
Bala ko ito. Maybe they have something on the radio that will my mind about it. Turn on the radio.
Uy, ama ka na!
Eh, paano pag nasasakit?
If you see anything suspicious, please report it to the local authorities ASAP. Diyan nakastay.
Di ba tangtang si Alexa?
Slender. Enter the gas station.
Ito oh.
Kuya! Hi!
Tok, TikTok.
Hey!
It's your time to clock out. Di ba tangtang ka niya?
Finally, have you heard the news? I feel
I feel bad for you, Lord.
Ra, nababalian siya ng buto.
I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Whatever, dude.
I am out of this. Please give me the chips too.
Ito ba si...
Also, just between us, dude. I've got no.
Kind of hungry. And might have ate a lot of food off the
shelves.
Anyways.
See ya later.
See you later.
Later. If you're still alive. Fuck you. I.
Kuya, umalis ka na. Lumayas ka na dito. Wala kami pakit.
Hoy, sino mauna?
Ako. Ako naman lagi. Tapos nag-after loss yung Gusto niya na.
Bye, Alexa.
Ay! Ay, buksan nyo to!
Pia, akin yan. Sige, sapahin kita. Ah! May dumano ko.
Bibili yan. Sira ka talaga. Ay! Gusto mo mamatay? Ay, sorry.
Hoy!
No. Gusto niya mamatay. Ikaw isa.
Karen. Si Karen.
Oo, si Karen.
You have waiting for
Oh, whatever ka.
Just ring me up already. Ring kita?
Hampas mo sa ulo na yung ano.
That is my favorite. Kuya, ang
That's
pangit
good.
ko.
Ikaw
Nagsasabi
talaga.
po kayo. Oh, sarado niyo yung pinto. Ah! Ah! Where the hell are you going, sir? Oh, CR. Oh. Hey, I was gonna use your bathroom. But the toilet are disgusting. So,
Tapos, yun sasabihin mo, puta ka. Get a man, find a place to go on. Number 1, number 2.
can I be so good? Might be
I'll clean it right now.
Oh, no, si Pia.
Ako na, oo.
Goodbye ka na naman.
Sabihin na kay kuya.
Bila, nasa si Kuya parang tanga.
Papalinis. Ay, ang dami mo nilinis yun.
Sick ulit.
Paano ito buksan? Ay, ang galing ka diri, ang baho.
Ganyan?
Mamay mo?
Okay na, ako na yun.
Ay, sige, ako dito.
Ako yun. Ito, ano ba? Detergent nga hawak ko. What are you doing? You almost gave me a heart attack.
Ba't kasi kasama kami sa'yo?
Haha, what do you mean? I'm just here to use the bathroom. Sunod din ako. No! Leave right now! I have you trespass. You're a weirdo. Talk to the kid. Bili, naka-ready na ako. Hello there. Can I get a little snack for free?
No!
Aren't you the creep who scared me while I was cleaning the toilet? Ako yun. No. Now get out of here before I call 911.
Let's go!
Why didn't you shouldn't have come to work today. Didn't you hear the news? Hehehe, I'll make you regret all of this.
Ay, ito na tayo.
Kaya sa akin, lagi naman na nauuna. Investigate what happened outside. Ako na.
I love you.
O yan na naman tayo. Mabibigla na naman tayo niyan. Nandiyan na naman yung...
Creepy niya. So creepy.
What the? Did you cause this?
Andyan si Kuya.
I told you I would make you regret showing up to work tonight. Hehehe. Oo nga, sinunog niya yung kotse natin. Now, you're going to be my next victim. Okay, Abri. Abri, wag kayo titingin sa likod. Sumunod lang kayo sa akin.
Paano gugugal?
Phone rings.
Bilis!
Ko bala. Dito ako. Huwag kayo magpanic. Shh! Uy! Uy!
Sa kabila magbabantay.
Ako dito ako.
Hello?
So, this is the police department. How can I help you?
Please
Please
hurry.
hurry. This is creep, guys.
Inside the gas station.
Are you sure that what is just a homeless
Oo, wag ka maniwala. He's also caused a car crash. He's the serial killer from the news. Di ba naman? Okay, we've dispatched 2 officers to your location.
Ewan ko yan.
Please.
Andito yun, sa kabila.
The power went out. I need to fix the... Ako na. I need to fix the fuse box.
Hindi ako takot. Sige, nasa harapan. Hey!
Diyan lang kayo.
Kaya anong klaseng tao yung kanina? Ano yung si Goyo? Ate Tia! Saan ka na? Nandiyan na yung polis. Kung kailan ba tayo namatay, nandun na sila.
I should hide until... Hide daw? Saan? May magkatabi dapat eh.
Kaya ko, dito lang.
O tara, doon tayo sa bathroom. Bilingan.
What?
May...
Okay. Sama-sama tayo.
Dito tayo. Okay.
May tangkad ko. Ay!
You use your weapon to defend yourself against the creep. When the police arrived, they confirmed that we was the person they were searching for. Yay! Ang galing natin!
Pati di tayo nag-hide. Pwede patay tayo.
Huwag ka na mag-overthink. Okay, so yun lang.